Enter the world of the artisans with Dulux Ambiance. In this video, we will show you how to create the grazed metal effect from the blacksmith's collection. We will need the following Dulux products and the following tools. Always prep the wall with Dulux primer and putty for best results. Allow all the layers to dry before moving to the next step. Apply 2 coats of Dulux Velvet Touch in Lights Out by roller. Allow paint to dry. Create short lines with Dulux Ambiance Velvet Touch Metallic Gold in Pure Gold horizontally by hard brush, followed by vertically when semi-dry. Allow paint to dry. Create short lines with Dulux Ambiance Metallic Silver in Pure Silver in some of the areas by hard brush horizontally, followed by vertically when semi-dry. Allow paint to dry. Now we have successfully created the grazed metal effect from the blacksmith's collection by Dulux Ambiance. For more collections, visit duluxambiance.com. Personalize your world with the new Dulux Ambiance collection.